Hi dearest, how are you all doing? So today I'm going to be showing you how I made my unique double pleated fan Aso Oke headband design. Now if you have watched the previous video on the pleated Aso Oke headband design, you know how to do some of the basic steps that we have already done in this video, which is I have already covered up my headband and I have done one fan. Do you understand? On one side. Now the other side, what I've done also is the same inches, 60 inches by 7-inch Aso Oke that I've already pleated, and now I'm adding it to the other side beside the other one that I have sewn. So what you do first of all is you sew it to the headband like we did in the previous style. Once that's done, I've sewn the two sides. Now the next thing to do is to take one part of the Aso Oke that you have sewn, you curve it like so, and we're going to sew it down right there. Okay? Now if you don't know how to do the basics of this Aso Oke headband design, don't be worried. It was just posted in the video before this. So all you need to do is check the description of this video. You will see a link there, and also I'll try and put the link that you can press up so you can go back, start with that one, and then come here to see how this unique double pleated fan Aso Oke headband design was made. Okay, so now I'm going to make a curve like so, doing as if I'm making a rose with the Aso Oke over there to give it a design. You can leave it straight, or you make it curved, anyhow, or you create something. Just let your creative juices run through you and make something that would stand your work out. Okay? Once you're done with that side, you turn the other side and you curve it as well. Anyhow you want to do the design, you can do. Then you sew it together. Keep watching and learning. As usual, in case you can't find any of these materials in your local store, you could check the description of this video. You will see Amazon links, AliExpress links, and my own links where you can do your shopping. So the next thing to do is get your trimmings. I had big trimmings for this one, and I'm going to use it and just decorate, cover some threads, and just, decorate everywhere like so. And that's how I formed this lovely, unique, double pleated fan Aso Oke design. If you loved it, please do give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my creative work, how to make lovely designs that would stand you out, do click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell, which will notify you anytime I upload my new videos. Now the question for today, are you ready? Now I didn't use a thread that I shopped from the market to make the Aso Oke design. The thread was the exact color of the Aso Oke. Where do you think I got the thread from? Whoever gets the answer the first, anyway, you get to attend a course of your choice from the Dvent Craft Academy. Right now we have 12 courses. A 13th one is about coming, but from the 12 courses, the 12 old courses is where you will pick from. So till we meet next time, it's goodbye and God bless.